Hello children, today we are going to learn about greater than and less than. So greater than and less than is a concept in maths where you need to understand if a number is big or whether the number is small, and you make a comparison between those two numbers and then you put a sign in between them. So today I'm going to teach you how to differentiate between a greater number and a smaller number and an equal number. So for differentiating between two numbers, let's take the first example. I'm going to show you how to differentiate between a greater number and a smaller number with the help of counters. So here we have number 2 and number 9. So number 2 and number 9. We need to find out which number is greater. So here I'm going to put two counters. Let's count together. 1, 2. And here we are going to put number 9. So we are going to, this is number 9. So we are going to put 9 counters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now as you can see, this side number 2 is smaller because it has just 2 counters, and number 9 is big because it has more counters in it. So we understand from this comparison that number 2 is smaller and number 9 is greater. So this is the sign to show that a number is greater, and we can remember this easily by remembering that this is a crocodile's mouth, and the crocodile's mouth opens towards the bigger number, the greater number. So we can say number 9 is greater than number 2, or number 2 is less than number 9. Alright, now let's take another example. We'll take another example with number 3 and number 8, our second example. Alright, so we have number 3 here and number 8 on this side, and in between we have to decide which sign we have to put, whether it is less than or whether it is greater than. So this time I'm going to show you how to find out a number which is less than a bigger number. So here we have number 3, so we are taking 3 counters. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and this side we are going to put 8 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so now looking at these two numbers and looking at the counters, we can say that number 3 is less than number 8 because number 3 has less number of counters and number 8 has more number of counters. So now I'm going to show you which how to differentiate and how to put the sign in front of a lesser number. So as I told you, the crocodile's face faces towards the bigger number, so 8 is a bigger number, so we are going to put it like this again. So the crocodile's face, open face, faces towards the bigger number, and the closed end faces towards the smaller number. So this is how you put a greater than or a less than sign. Alright, so now we can say that 8 is greater than number 3 and 3 is less than number 8. The meaning remains the same. It is the way you are differentiating between the two numbers. If you are asking about number 3, now we can say, if you are comparing between number 3 and 8, we can say number 3 is less than 8 and number 8 is greater than number 3. So it is one and the same. Alright, so here we are going to solve the worksheet. We are comparing 2 and 9, so we can see that number 9 will have more number of counters, so we'll put the greater than sign in front of number 9. Number 3 and number 8 will have 8 as the greater number. 8 and number 6, if you compare, obviously 8 is a bigger number, it will have more number of counters. I would like you all to do this activity at home and put in counters or whatever things you have at home. Maybe you can use pebbles, maybe you can use bottle caps, you can use whatever you want, and you can put in and count it and then decide which is a bigger number and which is a smaller number. So 8 is going to be a bigger number, so we'll put the crocodile's face towards 8. Then 7 is a bigger number than 5, so we put the crocodile's face towards 7. 4 and 1, 4 is a bigger number, so we put the crocodile's face towards 4. 2 and 3, 3 is a bigger number, so you put the crocodile's open face towards 3. Between 0 and 1, so 0 will have nothing here, no counters, and 1 will have just one counter. So what do you think will be the bigger number? Obviously, one counter is bigger, so the crocodile's face faces towards 1. And between 6 and 9, 9 is again a bigger number, so the crocodile's face faces towards 9. I hope you have understood the difference between greater than and less than, and you will find it easier to solve all your questions based upon these activities. Thank you so much. See you.